In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create GoDaddy account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready to use, and I'll walk you through exactly what to expect on each screen so nothing feels confusing. Start on the GoDaddy homepage. Look toward the top right corner of the page and click Sign In. This opens the account panel where you can either access an existing profile or begin a new one. If you're on a smaller screen, you might see a menu icon first. Expanding it will reveal the same Sign In option. Quick tip: make sure you see the secure padlock in your browser's address bar to confirm you're on the official site. When the panel opens, select Create an Account. This takes you to the Sign Up page, where GoDaddy offers a few different ways to register. Today, we'll keep it simple and fast by using your existing Google credentials. This avoids creating yet another password and keeps everything tied to the email you already use. On the Sign Up page, click Continue with Google. A Google window will appear asking you to choose an account. Pick the Google account you want associated with GoDaddy. If you're not currently signed into Google, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. If you use two-step verification with Google, complete that as well. This is normal and helps protect your account. Next, you may see a quick consent screen explaining the basic information shared from Google, such as your name and email address. Review it and continue. After that, you'll be redirected back to GoDaddy, and your new account will be created automatically with your Google sign-in linked. If you're asked to accept terms or confirm your region or language, go ahead and finalize those choices. You can always adjust preferences later from your account settings. To confirm everything worked, look again to the top right of the page where the sign-in button was. You should now see your profile icon or initials showing you're signed in. That's it. Your GoDaddy account is live and ready. A couple of helpful notes before we wrap up. Make sure you selected the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. If a page seems slow to load, give it a moment. Authentication pop-ups can take a second. And if you're on a shared or public computer, remember to sign out when you're done for privacy. You've now created a GoDaddy account using Google quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your new account.